Welcome back. My name is Carla Calderon, and today I'll be teaching you how to add this banner and the VIP logo right here while you teach your kids. You will be using Manycam, so make sure that you have Manycam. There is also a free version. I personally don't have the free version. I actually bought mine, but the free version should do just fine. So here we go. I'm in my Google Drive and I'm going to click on New, More, Google Drawings. And this is pretty simple. What it does is that it just gives you this clear screen. Make sure you check the link above in which I'm going to show you how to create your Bitmoji and how to make the background be transparent or clear. And all I did is I sent it to my sister through Facebook, as you guys can see. I'm going to right click and copy the image and go back to this drawing that I made and then paste. There it is. See, as y'all can see, it is transparent. There's no background. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so now I want like some snow on the bottom. So I'm going to Google an image. Let me put snow PNG. And I'm going to click on images so it opens up more options. And again, be careful. Don't just click on something that, like, let's look at this. Because I know it shows like those squares, but if I copy this and I paste it here, if I move this over, you see how it's not clear as this one. So it will not be see-through. Okay, so be careful with what you're copying. Oh, this one seems cool. I'm gonna copy this one. Most of the time when you see a black background like you did before, more than likely, most of the time, not always, the image has a clear background. Okay, so let me copy this and paste. Let me make sure, yep, you see, it's transparent. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this the same size as this. Now, as you guys notice, this is pretty high, and if this is my screen for VipKid, and if I put this here, then that is going to not even show myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down a bit more, and always remembering that this right here, you see these lines on the corner, that's where it gets cut off. So I'm just going to maybe adjust this a little bit, or to the bottom, because all I have is from here to here that will be showing. And I think I need to make this a little bit bigger because there. Okay, I think I'm good. All right, so now I want to put this one maybe here. And yes, it's going to send it to the back. So all you have to do is just right click, order, bring to front. And there it is. And that's pretty big, like I said, because my face was going to be like right here. So let's make this a little bit smaller. Maybe not that small. I'm not sure how small I want it, to be honest. I might be switching it for a little bit. Now I'm going to look for a dino. And I'm going to put Dino VipKid PNG. As y'all can see, I have already been looking for dinos. And oh, this one's cute. But you see, this didn't disappear, so I'm just going to create my own dino. Let me see this one. Oh yes, this one. And then I don't know if you guys saw, but it was white and then it disappeared, so I'm going to copy this one and take the dino back to where I was. I'm going to paste the dino, and what I want is I want to flip the image. So let me go to, was it arrange, rotate, and then you go to flip horizontally, and ta-da, see now dino has been flipped. And I think he's too big. He cannot be bigger than me, so I'm gonna make him a little bit smaller. And by me I mean like this right here. Okay, now I want to make a Santa dino, so I'm going to go here back to Google and just search for a Santa hat PNG. And then again, see there's a background, so no, not this one. Pretty much this is all I do, you guys. I just play with it, and this one looks cute. Yes, and look, just you guys saw how that disappears, so this will be a great one. So copy image back here, paste it, and then just making this way smaller for dino. This one's gonna take me a little bit longer just because I'm trying to make it the perfect size for dino. I might have to even like turn it just a bit. Maybe a little bit more. That looks cute. And then I can actually copy this image. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to select, edit, copy, and then I'm going to paste it again. Just gonna put it right on top of him, and I could give myself a Santa hat as well. That's only if, you know, like in the Bitmoji, I don't think we have this option for this picture. So then this is another way of modifying your Bitmoji even more. I think that looks okay. All right, so now I'm going to add my name on the bottom. So how do we do this? We go to Insert, Word Art, and then I'm just going to type Teacher Carla. Ta-da. I know the font is not pretty because it's Arial, but because it's still selected, I can just switch it to whatever I want. I like Impact more because it is easier for the kids to read. I mean this one too, but as you guys can see, it's more like wide, and I don't want it like that, so this will be good. Now the color, I don't know. Oh, you know what? And I could even add a Santa hat to my name. But I think that's a little bit too extra. Maybe if I do it like this. And let's not forget. I think that will be perfect. Right there. Now, I want this to be more, the border on my name is kind of thin. So I'm going to go here on the top. Well, I still have this selected because if I have this clicked out here, then it's not going to work. So click on the name, go here to border weight, and I'm going to do 4. Ooh, you guys see how dark that got? I don't know if I want it that much. Maybe a 3. I could even change the color of the name if I wanted to, but then it kind of like fits in with how it looks, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. Let me see if I should do the C on my name. Why not? That doesn't look bad. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Oh, that looks cute. Yep, my name is gonna have a hat. Now I have like 3 hats here, so I could also always remove one, but I like this. Oh, now the VipKid logo on the top, so here we just go VipKid logo PNG images. Let me use this one right here. Copy. All you do is just make it smaller. And right there. Okay, so this is basically all you have to do, but now you might be wondering, Carla, how do we put this in Manycam? Well, all you have to do is you just go to File. You're going to download as PNG image. And this is going to be saved right here. Oh, I should have renamed this. Let me name this Christmas. I'm just going to leave it like that, but I already saved it this way, so I'm just going to keep it like this. And now all we have to do is go to Manycam.com. There you go. We're going to Resources, Effects, and I'm sorry guys, but I'm going to drag this that I saved on my desktop. And now all I'm going to do is scroll down a little bit, and here you see Create Effects. Click on that. I'm sorry, this thing on the bottom's bugging me, so I'm gonna close that out. And then full screen effect. I'm going to put this as a border, and then I'm going to browse and upload, and then I'm just going to look at the last thing that I added on my desktop, or I guess recents. Untitled drawing, that's what it was named. And then I'm going to click open, and then here is the picture, and as you guys can see, it is full screen. Back then what I used to do is I used to put this as an object, and then it will make it small, and I will have to drag it myself, which is the same thing. So if you want to make, the thing is that with objects you have the option of making this bigger or smaller, but if you want this full screen, then it does it for you already. And as you guys can see, this will be me. And okay, let me put this, what did I say I was gonna call it? Christmas border. Okay you guys, so make sure that you click on borders, no background. And then I'm just going to download it. And let me just drag this out here. And then let me open Manycam. Oh, I should have minimized this. There we go. And as you guys can see, oh yes, this is how I look right now. This is where it was added. And I'm going to look for my teacher border folder that I've created, because I like to have all of my teaching borders here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this and drag it in. And then let me look for it. Where did it go? Oh, it's right here. So I'm just going to click on Christmas border, and there it is. Ta-da!
So what you guys think? Was it hard or not? I hope this is helpful, because I tried to do it as easy as I could so you guys could see how it's done. I know there is many of other videos that they might try to teach you how to do it, or sometimes they even give you the template, but I'm a person that I love creating my own things. So I mean, if someone has a template out there, then go ahead and try to use it. I just wanted to teach you how to create your own. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.